Imagine standing at the edge of the most dangerous place in the universe, a place where space itself begins to break, a place where even light cannot escape. Today, you're about to fall into one. At first, nothing seems unusual. The stars still shine around you. Your spacecraft appears close by, but something invisible has already grabbed you. The black hole's gravity is pulling harder every second. And now, there's no turning back. The closer you get, the stranger the universe becomes. Light no longer travels in straight lines. Entire galaxies begin to bend before your eyes. It's as if the universe has become a giant funhouse mirror. Behind you, time is already beginning to slow. Your friends far away would notice something strange. To them, your movement seems slower and slower. Every second for you becomes longer for them. But from your perspective, everything feels completely normal. At least for now. There it is, the boundary no traveler has ever returned from. Cross it, and every path leads deeper inside. Surprisingly, you don't feel a sudden impact. No wall. No explosion. No alarm. From your point of view, everything seems almost normal. But outside, the universe is changing dramatically. The entire history of the cosmos appears to speed up. Millions of years could pass outside in what feels like moments. The future of the universe may unfold before your eyes. And then, your body begins to notice the black hole. The gravity near your feet is now stronger than the gravity near your head. The difference is small at first, but every second, the pull becomes more uneven. Your body begins to stretch like soft taffy. Scientists have a strange name for this. They call it spaghettification. The black hole is trying to pull every part of you at a different speed. Space itself is becoming steeper and steeper. Escape is no longer impossible. It is meaningless. Every direction now leads deeper into the darkness. Then something even stranger happens. The black hole no longer looks like a hole at all. The universe appears above, below, and around you at once. Reality itself seems to be folding inward. And nobody knows exactly what comes next. Deep inside the black hole, physics begins to lose its grip. The rules that govern the universe start breaking down. Ahead lies something called a singularity, a place where our current theories can no longer make predictions. According to Einstein's equations, everything leads there. But some scientists think the story may not end there. What if a black hole is actually a doorway? A tunnel connecting distant parts of the universe? Or perhaps even another universe entirely? No one knows if such a journey is truly possible. Another theory suggests something even stranger. Information may never actually disappear. Everything that falls in could leave a hidden trace behind. The black hole may be storing secrets on its surface. Secrets written across the fabric of space itself. As you continue falling, Earth is still out there. But time is no longer moving the same way for you. Years begin passing on Earth in the blink of an eye. Cities grow larger and brighter. Entire generations live their lives while you keep falling. Children are born, grow old, and become history. Everything you once knew moves further into the past. Friends, family, and entire civilizations become distant memories. Yet for you, only a short time has passed. You are becoming a traveler into the far future. Thousands of years flash by. Humanity spreads beyond its home world. New worlds light up across the darkness. The solar system becomes crowded with life. But the universe never stops changing. Thousands of years flash by. Humanity spreads beyond its home world. New worlds light up across the darkness. The solar system becomes crowded with life. But the universe never stops changing. Millions of years now pass like drifting seconds. Earth is almost unrecognizable. Humanity may have evolved into something entirely new. Or perhaps merged with machines long ago. Entire civilizations rise beyond anything imaginable today. Then the sun begins approaching the end of its life. It swells into a giant red star. The inner planets face a fiery future. The world where humanity began disappears into history. Everything familiar is now gone. Yet the universe keeps moving forward. Billions of years rush past your eyes. Galaxies slowly drift farther apart. The night sky grows darker with every age. You may be watching the universe grow old. One by one, the stars begin to disappear. The bright universe you once knew starts growing dark. New stars become increasingly rare. The universe is running out of fuel. Entire galaxies fade into quiet darkness. Trillions upon trillions of years pass. The cosmos becomes colder and emptier. Vast darkness stretches in every direction. You may be witnessing the final chapters of cosmic history. But even the end of the universe may not be the end of your journey, because the black hole is still pulling you inward, closer and closer to the greatest mystery in physics, the singularity, a place where our understanding completely breaks down. No experiment has ever reached this point. No message has ever returned from here. Everything humanity knows ends at this boundary. Beyond it lies pure uncertainty. Every theory points in a different direction. And now, you are about to find out. What happens next depends on which theory is right. In one possibility, the singularity truly exists. Every path in space and time leads toward it. The closer you get, the stranger reality becomes. Distances lose their meaning. Time may lose its meaning too. Past, present, and future begin to blur together. You could see every moment of existence at once. Then reality collapses into something impossible to describe. Or perhaps that's not what happens at all. Another theory suggests a hidden tunnel through space. A wormhole connecting distant corners of the cosmos. You race across unimaginable distances. Distances that would normally take billions of years to cross. Then suddenly, a new universe appears ahead. The laws of nature might be different there, new stars, new worlds, new possibilities, a completely different cosmic story could begin. But there's one problem. We have absolutely no evidence that any of this is real. The truth is, nobody has ever fallen into a black hole and returned to tell the story. Everything beyond this point is still one of science's greatest mysteries. But mysteries are what drive discovery. Every answer humanity has found began with a question. And black holes may hold some of the biggest answers of all. Answers about gravity, answers about time. Answers about space itself, and maybe even answers about how the universe truly works. Somewhere out there, the secret is waiting. Perhaps future explorers will uncover it. Perhaps future scientists will finally solve the puzzle. Or perhaps black holes will remain mysterious forever. Yet even without answers, they inspire wonder. They remind us how vast the universe really is, and how much there still is to learn. Because every discovery reveals new mysteries beyond it. The universe is not just stranger than we imagine. It may be stranger than we can imagine.